Alright, we're here again, back at it. We actually checked out this place called Millennium Park here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and we're going to be doing some hiking, doing the football around, just really being at one with nature. Right, man?
Yeah.
Finished hiking, and now we are actually in Grand Haven, Michigan, at Morningstar Cafe. Did I make a good choice?
Yeah.
Alright, we just finished having our lunch at Morningstar Cafe. It was delicious. It was nice and filling.
Yeah.
And now we are going to the beach. Yeah. Alright, we are now at Grand Haven Beach. It is pretty hot out here. The sand is scorching. It's very nice, very nice.
We're getting to the bottom of it. What you doing there?
Alright, we finished at the beach and now we are in downtown Grand Haven, and it's so cute. It's so cute. I mean, my brother picked out actually this place, and it looks pretty dope. That's Oda.
I think what I'm gonna do is, man.
I think you picked an excellent choice for dinner.
Thank you. But it's still kind of funny. Cause she kind of screwed up. I mean, she has to admit, she just kind of
ketchup. I was. Oh snap!
It's tasty, man.
All right. Alright, we just came out of Pepino's, and the food was amazing, I tell you. Miguel is slipping into a coma fast.
Yeah, man.
And we were just overly stuffed. But yeah, it was delicious. Highly recommended, you guys.